Good morning, happy Monday. Well, state and federal governments are divided over reopening the Australian economy, with the World Health Organisation warning the pandemic is accelerating. Now, this explains why the Aussie share market futures are suggesting a 1.3% fall at the open this Monday morning. Now, on Friday, US equities did pare back some of their gains, really after the US current account deficit, which is the flow of goods and services in and out of the US, fell more than expected in the first quarter to $104.2 billion. The Dow lost 200 points, while the S&P 500 fell 0.6% but held on to that 41% smashing gain from the March bottom, while the Nasdaq closed flat after Apple announced that they're reclosing some of their stores after COVID-19 cases are on the rise in the US. Now, on the commodity front, the oil price leapt 2% higher to $39.17. Gold gained 8.80 or 0.5% to $1,762, and the iron ore price last traded flat at $103, while coal has firmed 1.6% higher and zinc moved 1.5% up. Now, what to watch today? Keep an eye on BHP and Whitehaven Coal following the coal prices moving higher, and New Century Resources NCZ following the zinc uptick. And secondly, with the federal government set to ramp up their spending on cybersecurity following the attempted hack into Australian networks, you could think that companies in this domain will benefit, or the ETF HACK, which is already up 14% this year. Now, thirdly, Metcash results are out. They've just announced food, liquor, hardware and sales are up in the first 7 weeks of FY21, and Metcash has declared a dividend as well. In other news, Transurban fourth quarter sales are out, and they announced a reduced distribution of 16 cents per share for the 6 months through to June. Harvey Norman goes ex-dividend today, so expected to see some selling. And lastly, on the economic front, the RBA Governor Philip Lowe will give a speech at 10 a.m. Now, ending on local trading ideas. Well, firstly, UBS upgraded Adairs ADH earnings per share following Adairs sales guidance levels beating their forecasts and market expectations. Now, UBS is targeting a price of $2.55. It's a buy for UBS. Secondly, staying on UBS, they've upgraded Sigma Healthcare SIG their price target by 15% to 61 cents. And lastly, Bell Potter upgraded AMA's price target to 85 cents after AMA has performed better than expected in terms of profit and cash flow generation. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Have a great day. Happy trading. Stay safe.